So this is the start of part 2 of the video. Now I have created the ICC profile already, and now I'll navigate to that profile. There's the profile I created. The Wolf-Faust charge number for this profile is R170830, and then I've appended the end of this folder with 15th of February 2019 ICC. That's the date I scanned the target into my computer and profiled on my AGFA scanner, this exact unit. So there is the ICC target. And now that's been loaded. So my scanner color space is ICC profile. Scanner profile has been selected. ICC description, what I will add for that is I'll just add the name of the file. For scanner IT8 data, I'm not exactly sure what to do with this step. However, as I understand it, it's simply a matter of adding the text file that accompanies the target. That's a text file that accompanies the target. It gives you all the Wolf-Faust target details. It's the target was printed on Kodak paper, for example. Okay. Printer's color space isn't of concern to me at the moment. Show IT8 outline, I'm not sure what that means. Output color space. Out of these options, there's device RGB, Adobe RGB, Apple RGB, Bruce RGB, and a number of other options. I'm going to choose Pro Photo RGB, as I understand that's one of the widest, if not the widest, gamut color space available. Although I'm not sure if I should be choosing device RGB in this instance or not. So I'll choose Pro Photo RGB. So just to recap the color tab, I've selected the neutral color balance, which is the most true to original color balance as recommended by the VueScan Bible. They are the standard default values that come under the color balance of neutral. My scanner color space will be the ICC profile I've created with a link to the ICC file. Which is here. The scanner ICC description. The scanner IT8 data. That's the text file that comes with this color target, with all the values for the target. My output color space will be Pro Photo RGB. Now I will go to output. I don't want a TIFF file. For this demonstration, I'm just interested in a JPEG file. I want maximum quality, so I left that at 100. JPEG size reduction is 1, which is the minimum. 100% magnification. I'll leave description. Actually, with description, I might just add the profile I've used. Copyright, I won't worry at the moment. Date, I won't worry. Watermark 1, watermark 2, I will not worry either. So for this, I'm just interested in a JPEG file of maximum possible JPEG quality. I'm not sure if I need to create an index file or not, but I will anyway. Just to recap, I've set the options to professional, task, scan to file, mode, flatbed, media is color, media size maximum, 48-bit RGB, scan resolution of 1200 dpi, auto rotate is unticked, auto flip unticked, rotation none, auto skew none, skew 0, mirror is unticked, lock image color is unticked. Color balance neutral with the values that come under a neutral color balance. I'll be scanning, my scanner's color space is ICC profile. My output color space is Pro Photo RGB. I apologize for repeating myself, but I'm just trying to get this 100% right. And once again, a JPEG file, JPEG size reduction of 1, JPEG quality is 100%. And I added the description of the ICC target that I'm using. So I'll come back in part 3 and explain more. At the moment, I'm going to preview this scan and then I'll come back in part 3. Thank you.